How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply insert an image into Fusion 360. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to make sure that you're inside the solid category, which is going to be this one. And then at the end, we have the insert options. So basically, if you just want to insert an image, something like PNG, JPG, and more, it's going to be this button right here. So you just want to click on it, click on insert from my computer. And then of course you want to look for your image. So in my case, I'm going to be inserting this image onto my sketch. And then I'm just going to click on this plane right here. And then of course you can adjust this to whatever you want to. Let's do something like 5 millimeters. And then basically there we have it. And so guys, that's how easy it is to insert an image. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.